At AdvantageLumber.com, we believe in providing end-to-end solutions. Luxury building materials, factory direct to you. What does that mean? It starts with sustainable sourcing. Then it moves to products that we keep in our own warehouse with our own name, over 500,000 square feet of warehouse. And then goes into grading, sorting it, and finally to manufacturing in-house. Today we're going to go through the entire process, beginning to end, of how we do it and why we do it. We moved into our manufacturing facility where we just finished running some teak boards into sealing. We're using our CNC machine, which has over 50 profiles already programmed. 6-head molder, 8,000 RPM. It runs over 100 linear feet a minute. And this is the end result. A V-joint, reversible nickel gap profile. Next, our mill manager, Jake, is inspecting the load to ship factory direct to you. And why do we do this? This is why. We want the vision of your project to come to life. Like and subscribe at AdvantageLumber.com.